Is your grill a rusty mess? If so, it is time for some new grill grates. The grill grates are made of cast iron with a porcelain coating. Eventually the coating will wear off the cast iron and it will begin to rust. You can extend the life of the grates by oiling them when you use your grill. Oiling the grates has the added benefit of preventing your food from sticking. Replacing the grill grates is simple to do, and I'm going to show you how. I'll begin by removing the warming rack. It just pulls away from the barbecue body. Now I can remove the grill grates, and they're just sitting in place. Now I can install the new grill grates. The grates just simply sit on the two shelves on the rear and the front of the grill. With the grill grates in place, now I can replace the warming rack.